Alright, let's go to Disney. Whee! Whee! Is that a bird? Is that a hot air balloon? That's another plane. Hi! Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Okay, Ryan, Gus built you something special. Are you ready?
Is it super good?
Yeah, look.
Oh, it's an airplane.
Yeah, whoa, look at this airplane with the propeller. Oh, you're gonna fill up gas too? There you go, put gas in there.
I forgot it.
Ryan!
That's all.
Does it work? Oh, nice. Let's go check out your airplane.
Okay, let's, we don't need any more gas.
Oh yeah, no more gas. Wow, look at all these awesome lights. Look at those lights. What else is in here? Some gauges. Oh, Ryan, look.
Oh my.
You know what R stands for?
What? Ryan.
Yes. You pretend to
I wanna
fly.
go super high.
Yeah, you go high speed.
I go high in the sky. I want to go low. No, I want to go medium. No, I want to go high.
Ooh, and you can stop too. You see how you can stop?
Oh yeah.
You put the lever all the way down. Ryan's gonna turn off the light. Woo. Oh wow! It flashes.
Oh no.
Did you see?
Oh my.
Wow, this is fancy. Whoa, do you like it?
Yes.
This is awesome.
So good.
Woo!
Propeller even spin too. Oh.
Wow.
Ah!
It's okay, it's easy fix. There you go.
Let's go to Disney. Nobody can see me.
Alright, so you have to turn on your speed.
Do I want to go medium? Because that means that I'll get there in 4 hours.
Alright,
I
start.
want to go high.
Okay. And then you gotta start turning your wheel. There we go.
Alright, let's go to Disney. Whee! Whee! Is that a bird? Is that a hot air balloon? That's another plane. Hi! Oh, I think we're at Disney now. Bye, we're gonna have a fun time. Da, da, da. Going on the water slide. Whee! Today, Gus is making me a box for him.
No, hold on, Ryan. Don't come in yet. Not yet. I'm not ready.
Okay. Hurry up, Gus.
Okay. I'm working hard.
I hope this is good. A house. Ooh. He's still working on it. I guess he's still working, but I'm gonna go in that door. Whoa, it's so small. Small. And he left a toy.
Surprise, Ryan.
Oh, hi, Gus.
Hey, Ryan. How you doing?
Good.
Good. What you think?
Well, why is it made out of pizza boxes?
Oh, well, I got real hungry one day, and I ordered all these pizzas. Then I just had a bunch left over. All these boxes were left over. Because I want to be an engineer one day. So I thought I'd make a house.
Out of pizza boxes?
Yup. All right,
Thank you,
Ryan.
Gus, for the surprise toy.
You're welcome. I picked it myself. What'd you get?
It's Hawkeye.
All right. Does it fly? Yeah, probably not.
And it has this.
Ooh, looking good.
Why do I smell something, Gus? Did you give me something in the microwave?
Mm-hmm. It's some tasty, yummy gummies. Why don't you check it out?
Thank you, Gus.
You're welcome. I hope I got your favorite kind. Now, Ryan, if you don't want any, I'll eat your leftovers.
Okay.
Can I have one? Yummy. Thank you, Ryan.
Coming through.
Please.
Watch and learn.
Bye. Gus didn't do a great job, so I'm gonna fix it up a little bit. Ooh.
Okay, Ryan, so Gus built you something. Ready to turn around and look?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. What is it? Do you know?
A submarine.
A submarine. Wow.
Whoa, it's Gus dead. You got something for me. Ooh, that's pretty dry. In the water.
You're driving?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Oh no! Let's go explore the ocean. Nemo! Dory! A whale! A catfish! A zebra shark! I guess this is a surprise toy for me. Well, I called a snake. Wait. Iron. Ah.
That bed is too big. I mean, that bed is too small for you.
Put my head on it. Bye bye. It's made a little mess. So I'm gonna clean it up. Gus made a little hole, so I'll drill it up there. Gus messed up some parts, so I'm gonna break them.
Ooh, we turn off the light and look, it glows. That's so awesome. Whoa. Ooh, Gus gonna have a fun sleeping tonight, right?
Wait, he's sleeping here?
Yeah, he's sleeping here.
Oh. I think our ship looks good. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Okay, Ryan, turn around. What is it?
A rocket ship.
What'd you think?
It's good. I made it.
Gus, isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
What?
He was getting ready for Christmas.
Yeah, look at the
Whoa.
lights on
They
there.
turn off and then turn back on.
Yeah, look at all the lights. That's pretty cool.
Let's turn off the light.
Okay. Okay, so Ryan's gonna turn off the light. Whoa, look.
Oh,
Look.
looks so cool.
Right?
Standing.
Are you ready to blast off into space?
Yes.
Yeah.
All Alright guys, let's blast off into space. Whoa, 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 whoa! We're leaving Earth now! Bye! I see Mars! I see Jupiter! I see the sun! I see the moon! Okay guys, now it's time for me to go home again. Wow! 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 Yay! Back on Earth! Yay! 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 Let's fix the rocket ship to go into space. Wow! 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 Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Toy Review more fun.